Remens drops is a complex homeopathic preparation, normalizes the menstrual cycle, regulates the intensity of bleeding, reduces the manifestations of algomenorrhea, weakens the manifestations of premenstrual tension syndrome, emotional lability, irritability, aggressiveness, depression, tearfulness, reduces edematous syndrome. In menopausal syndrome, Remens reduces psycho-emotional manifestations, vegetative, hot flushes, hyperhidrosis, palpitations, cardialgia, blood pressure fluctuations, and metabolic disorders, normalizes fat metabolism, prevents body weight gain, reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Remens has an anti-inflammatory effect on the tissues of the ovaries and endometrium, improves the microcirculation of the pelvic organs. Indications: as part of the complex therapy of the following conditions: menstrual disorders, secondary amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, premenstrual tension syndrome, climacteric syndrome, endometritis, adnexitis. How to use: the drug is taken 30 minutes before or 1 hour after a meal. Drops are taken in pure form or diluted in 1 tablespoon of water, holding for 20 to 30 seconds in the mouth before swallowing. At the onset of the disease and in cases requiring rapid relief of symptoms, it is possible to take the drug 8 to 10 drops every 1/2 to 1 hour, but not more than 8 times per day. After improvement of the conditions, the drug is prescribed 3 times per day. For menstrual irregularities, including secondary amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, premenstrual tension syndrome, adults and adolescents are prescribed 10 drops 3 times per day. Duration of treatment 3 months. If necessary, the course of treatment can be repeated after 1 month. In menopausal syndrome, 10 drops 3 times per day are prescribed. The duration of treatment is at least 6 months. When the condition stabilizes, the drug is prescribed 1 to 2 times per day. In chronic inflammatory diseases of the female genital organs, adults and adolescents are prescribed 10 drops 3 times per day. Duration of treatment 3 months. If necessary, the course of treatment can be repeated after 1 month. Contraindications: children under 12 years of age due to insufficient clinical data. Hypersensitivity to the components of the drug. Use during pregnancy and lactation. The question of the use of the drug Remens during pregnancy and lactation, breastfeeding, is decided by the doctor individually. Side effects: rarely, increased salivation. The patient shall be informed that if other side effects occur, consult a doctor. Special instructions: since the Remens preparation in the form of homeopathic drops contains herbal natural components, during storage there may be a slight cloudiness of the solution or a weakening of the smell and taste, which does not lead to a decrease in the effectiveness of the drug.